Ahe GC News, Mima Bawumia Akwaba, Hadia, latest and hot news on Kwa Enamidi, Bremo. Anuti, so we are subscribe to the channel now. For more than say over subscribe to the channel. The other answer over click the subscribe button. Now we barely notification. We are inside the video be upload with the first person of Zabeka. I sabi a few years now. Like give us a thumbs up, now fee. Share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone and also a Wagana Memohano. Afriyie Mbure and Sibin. Afriyie share ye and someone abeto Yabunosu. Mintie a year some Kumuya Elkosu. It is answering.
This is something going round, and this should tell you, say, NPP Foólish, they just came to destroy you people. On say, a crow in Kekra and Yansafo dear nim, and I say, Omomudi and Enim Yansan Omonyam wa. And cause sports minister we ye for a long time. Me say a crowy say anka sebio omomudi so no dodo no enjimi ye. And a sebio say omunim nyansa anka say sports minister no. Sports minister no. I was saying permanent dada. From what happened at the All African Games all the way to Black Stars not being able to play in Ghana no. Say omomudi enim so nkomu njimi ya ka president njimi ye ka vice njimi ye anka omomu say omo no ne president dwene wo cabinet anka omomu dodo ne njimi ya anka self sports minister ne permanent long time. But this is the situation now. We have people leading us, majority who are stupid and selfish. When I okay obi say we do obi atem e krobe so and yet at this point to me $5 million at the printed ID cards. You to me $6 million at the so on the cover event. Abra you a national television. You to me $25 million, $15 million. You see they are near 15 days. Yatina Kroma under the sports ministry. In Kwasiadi Akosujina, nobody has even said so you need to leave your office. It means say Omomudi Nimpatwe, president to the last person, vice president to who? They are all foolish people. Omo Jimmy. Omunimnyansa. And every time when we use these words, we use it not because we hate them. We use it because Omwe Jimmy reality no Omwe Jimmy. The president is foolish. In Tiesiano, a dear na mo friend Bonne wo Ghana. A dear ne kase we dear we fail. Mo standards no any dear as a government. What are their standards? Dear Rebecca say, and you na mujina opposition NPP for say, John Mahama you're incompetent. Or you're incompetent. Or the incompetence and the incompetency and John Mahama is incompetent. The question is, who is incompetent? The incompetence in this government is going beyond everything we've seen. But as we sit here today, there are still people in this government still deciding say, or say the abamo momo twaso, a crowbay nebema sports minister at power still. Now, when you see this, it should tell you, say people just have to go to jail for shaggy reasons. I'll say, you can't go jail keke. Near retrieve sika omuria. Let me tell you. NDC for mobile power, what they need to focus on is to retrieve the money from these criminals and jail them. Sika biya ni baby, the money and sikari nyina it's with these people. I was so chinipa. Ya Jessica na was a jail no and yes wa chi obi na wa Jessica or si plea bargain no ananti o chi nipa na o Jessica no na wa jail no. That will serve as a deterrent. We moving forward as a nation, our politics will change. And into the majority of our Akufo Ghana, they are scared of John Mahama's return. Because someone will say John Mahama has nothing to lose by changing the system well. Recalibrating the system. John Mahama between the 4 years exchanging a democracy to look perfect. Obia Obabedi president Bia will fear being president. Obia man position Bia will be scared. And that is what the criminals are scared of. NPP for Ekunipa Eye Bibian Pese John Mahama be president. No, it is because they know say John Mahama take over. The wrongs will all be written right. And that means a reform warrior politics in the Muninano do want to go jail. And that will be the change. That will be the turning point of our democracy. And Nuntina, they are doing everything possible to stop John Mahama. Hey? Obia onpe John Mahama sembia pekrono. Obia oye the against of Mahama and Nano Opoku taking over office bia e kronfo. Or hini bia bounce or support to NPP bia yewi. because they are not interested in accountability.
You are watching Juicy
Safu
News
bia
on
odi
YouTube.
NPP bia chibia
Hot news
yewi
all time.
because that
You are
Safu no is not
watching
interested
Juicy
in
News on
accountability.
YouTube. Hot
Penyini
news
bia
all
wa Ghana
time.
bia want me MBA na no anka no kre ankyere Ghana for say NPP we o say etuti omo no sa penyini o ye kronfo e bonsam if you say or supported the say NPP for and finish here. So they all think say accountability they need say yeah. The fight against the NDC and Ghanaians in say some people don't want accountability. And internet ahemfo akese bia kwaje NPP echi and say oh NPP de omo Jimmy cry to us because ahemfo ni bia akronfo asofo ni bia akronfo impenifo titiri for Ghana omo ni nkofo we ne bokro no they are scared to say you expose NPP they will all be exposed. Their dealings energy dealings you ahemfo a omo shares ewo Amerimu you ahemfo omo shares ewo Ghana ye de ye sika semu gold for oil you ahemfo omo shares. So all these chiefs will do everything possible to stop the NDC from coming to power. Into what they are doing, no. So when you are say, oh, it's a collective thing on person because they are all scared of accountability. Me say aban se sana be hu ohini e de gina box me jail no e Ghana. I'm telling you. Ye wo ahemfo a ye de be gina box mu court e jail omo. Because they are deep. They are involved in serious galamsey in Ghana. Ye wo ahemfo a they are in serious galamsey. Omo no mo say Ghana. Sa ahemfo ni nyina na e support se Bawumia mbra no mo ntoa so because they are scared of accountability. It is very disturbing. Now, government spent 21.1 million Ghana cedis on Babayara Sports Stadium in 2020. Yet, Akufo Addo na aban say, almost spend 21.1 million Ghana cedis. All the quantity Ghana is almost 210 billion, right? Almost 2020, almost the day, almost the renovate share Babayara Kumasi, Otumfo Krum. Almost some the BBR $21.1 million. Almost tamsa sikano de kwashishare Kumasi Sports Stadium. And Sanko Foya so President Akufo Addo spent 84.3 million in total for stadium renovation. Inti say o check a year. These same people are almost spending 84.3 million. Ewo Ghana stadium ni nyina mu e de siesie. Government spent 22.4 million Accra Sports Stadium 2020 into almost spending 21.1 million Ghana cedis. Kumasi. They came to Accra and spent 22.4 million cedis for renovation. And government spent 40.7 million on Esipon Stadium in 2023. And almost 40.7 million call secondary say Esipon dia renovating Malaysia Naso. In total, Abai is spending close to 85 million Ghana cedis to renovate all these stadia. As we sit here, Bakumpong qualify for us to play a national game on
YouTube.
After spending almost 90 million Ghana cedis. New Ghana. Tete Ghana scano 900 billion on a year. All these parks and as stadiums, no. Minoti a Ghana nya stadium mbobo also because nina are below FIFA standard. Now then now we don't have a problem with the sports minister. We don't have a problem with the administration, the president. Why do we sit here now and the tia say Adentina was here to tia NPP actually with Jimmy? For the first time in the history of this country, Black Stars in Kobo a year qualifier wa bontene da. In the history of the Black Stars in Kobe Manson Kobo qualified that. Under these fools, you are still telling me say yeah more power. That do you know what will happen? Owusu. Me say, under these fools, for the first time in the history of Ghana, Black Stars Kobo a qualifier. Ewa bontini ekuro or mindful froso. Sankwasi afo ejina stage catch say ye mom to me. Me say odi to me more moi. E manye mo Ghana ombe wo zoo. Enkofo wo ye Jimmy. These people are naturally stupid. They have no intelligence. We are not supposed to give them that room to still be exhibiting that highest form of foolishness. Why are we even still sitting here? Why are we even allowing these people to still hold on to power? I posted something on Twitter today. I said the only thing that is keeping the NPP in power today is the law. Democracy. Democracy. That is why the NPP is in power. The reason why Akufo Addo and the NPP are in power is because you be democracy. And yet democracy and Kidisa more power. Or saying I'm telling you. Because nobody should entertain this. No reasonable country should entertain this crop of criminals. What we have before. And it's serious. Now look at this. Listen to this. And then you ask yourself, I didn't know for to me Bawumia. No one kwasiafo in san konko din kwasiasem.
Kill you. Look, I'm outraged about our blacklisting by CAF. So I decided to do some digging, some more parliamentary oversight. And what I have discovered is so shocking. Look, many people had thought, and I was also in that school of thought, that we have been blacklisted. We now have to go and play our matches in Togo or Ivory Coast. As for Nigeria, we don't want to go because we fear that big brothers and sisters will tease us so much that we can't even play on the pitch. I also thought that, it's just negligence. It's just incompetence. And that we didn't even lose money in the process. Just that our officials, the government, the Minister for Youth and Sports, the NSA officials forgot to do their work and to invest in renovations and stadium rehabilitation.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
To the shock of my life, I've discovered that no, that's not. It's worse than that.
On YouTube.
Actually,
hot news all time.
Copious, colossal, staggering amounts of money has been pumped every year into stadium renovation. So far, the documents I have intercepted, over 85 million cedis. I'll read them to you and I'll leave copies with you. 14 July 2023. This is a letter signed by Honorable Dr. John A. Kuma. God bless his soul. May his soul continue to rest in peace. He issued a warrant for the release of 41.9 million Ghana cedis for the rehabilitation of the Esipon Sports Stadium. Esipon, 41.9 million. Only last year. Talk to your sports journalists. I have been there. 41.9 million. No show. At least Esipon should have saved us today. I mean, such a monumental international disgrace. Then let me come to the other document I've intercepted. Baba Yara Sports Stadium, where we had the total embarrassment. Baba Yara, are you aware that another contract of 21.1 million, and this is a letter signed by Frank Quist, Chief Director, awarded to a company called Gyamfi, 21.1 million.
When was this?
27th March 2020. And I've tracked the payments. I have all the payment vouchers here. They've all been paid promptly. Then you come to Accra Sports Stadium. I have here a company called Kube, another intercepted document. They have paid them 22.4 million.
Wow.
You know, over 85 million. And you know what I went for the incorporation documents of these companies. And guess what?
Right.
Two of the companies are owned by the president's relatives, Ken Ofori Atta. I mean, Kube and the other one, Sisden. So if your family will make money out of our stadiums, at least do the work. At least don't bring this monumental international disgrace upon us.
Wow.
This president must be impeached. President Akufo Addo must be impeached. And I hope that colleagues in parliament, including NPP MPs, will join. Look, we've never had such a horrible president.
Yes,
he must be impeached.
I mean, you say you're leaving these copies with me.
Yes, I'll leave copies with you.
Because it's a matter that will sink our teeth in.
Over 85 million Ghana cedis. We've spent all of this money, well. and yet we've earned a ban.
It's a worrying
this is crazy. Why should anybody walk to the ballot to vote for NPP? Actually, with Jimmy. Why should any grown man sit on TV to tell young people that go and vote for NPP? Why should any chief endorse Bawumia? Why should any elder or senadjuni ejuma onimnyansa keep telling Ghanaians to say monkotuma Bawumia any NPP? Actually, with Jimmy. We still have the sports minister at post. That foolish dog is still sitting there taking money, all in the name of politics. But say the only thing keeping the NPP in power is what we call democracy. And can you democracy and go see a cool broad day, your bomb. Yeah. If it wasn't for democracy, I was thinking cool because Jimmy, do you know what these monies can do for young Ghanaians? As we sit here, nobody's calling for accountability. You are him for Ghana. Anka Bawumia ba no buza Mr. Bawumia. Mate say sika say and the Black Star ekobobo abruchiri. Yentumi bo ofie sika say adenti na we si. Ahemfo mu bia ya kromfo nti enkwasiafo we ba na motete nkonnwom e chiachi omu nsem. This is what we are going through. It is so young Ghanaian na say onanti to the box to vote for this. O see NPP o see ku to twene. We Jimmy to future no any day. A day now who voted for. All these monies need to be there taken back. Ofori Atta mo mbakurapo $49 million cedis for dikwa. And they to me support here and yanka say Black Stars. We cannot support our own Black Stars. Short man. Nyabotre, I'll deal with that. Do you know say sa astroturfs no musisi no Ghana no. It's so interesting. So what do we need to form AstroTurf NPP aye nyina no. So what yes about Bawumia ka AstroTurf, we are constructed more AstroTurf. Strategically, ayom constituency nkwa no ya AstroTurf no. And I win ba ho. Especially so NDs NPP for and the omo AstroTurf ni nyina ye omo constituency. And you know the funny thing, the constituency e tuma omo. Constituencies omo tuma omo e ho nkwa no ya AstroTurf. Ebia munya abutre enshadan study omo. Let me give you a few. And the Oko baby to say Mensah South. NAPO. 2 AstroTurfs. Because a horn omo tuma omo. Oma ye bi ewa hifa wale Mahamadu Bawumia krum because a ho enomo tuma omo tie. The NPP no, they are not here to build Ghana. Sibia the NDC ba power. They are building KJTR, they don't care. They are building KJTR for people from the south. They are targeting all these people. It does not matter the tribe, where you are from, or which political party you belong to. So NDC, AC Sewia, AC Afari, AC Adia in hospital or Santimemwa. They are looking at the number of people Free Srema, Babedua, Santimemu Kosro, Omubenya Ayarasa, and Adia Apomuding. That is what they look at for. NPP, who say NPP aye bibia, it is because a vote no mope. And Rentina say Ed said disaster be to me to see water region. Na penyi kwasi ate say president to me ko catch them say mon to mame and kedisa me ba. Na poso to me ka san kwasi say won Kennedy Agyapong na adwene ye half no. Until the NPP no, they didn't come to govern Ghana. They came to do what? To entertain the foolish people who are helping them to make money. Because majority of the people almost support to NPP, they are the foolish masses. NPP, they look for those omajuniwa form. Omajuniwa form no and pay attention to. Because omo no betuma dada omo. Into here? Say Ghana na say check AstroTurfs na. Baby o my AstroTurf ni na ye baby o munya vote free. Baby o munya vote na AstroTurf ni bi nko. Now, Tema, so Carlos Ahenkra constituency, so where's the Oko Tema, Okoha, Carlos Ahenkra constituency because that place no hold on to my NPP. Oko baby to say Ayawaso Central, Omakoya AstroTurf for because a ho per se the omu maintain sa numbers there na omutuma NPP. Oko baby to say now from what I am hearing no. They want to build 100 AstroTurfs. It was specific places of munya votes. And they say, "Oh baby, na say munyina ka say that be pathway. Yen to this way. Enya dia mubenya development under NPP. Na po aka kire mu Jimmy o ka kire mu nansen Kennedy Agyapong aka kire mu. Eye atichide Akufo Addo na ka kire mu. So you are not supposed to even sit and think too much. They didn't come to develop Ghana. They came to make sure say omo support to Jimmy for no. They bait them with some stupid AstroTurf. Your AstroTurf be 100 million or Ghana. Yentumi nya one place embo my akuma to yem say aha dia. When I went to Brazil, I went to their national stadium. Na Flamingo and Ebo. Na Maranaka and a friend saying Marana whatever. Na Ura Stadium na o share the Brazilian National Stadium, or share the ambience, or share the quality of work, the pitch, or share how the edifice looks, or share the facility itself. Maracana, yes, Maracana, that's the name. I was in there and I made Bono, about 80,000 people. And I mean, say, how difficult is it for Ghanaians as a nation to build one of this, just one in Accra, one in Kumasi? How difficult? Your stadium, no what that. Let's just make it better. Oh, for a long time, I think Nkofo no mudia grass or Ghana stadium. I'll see a Pam Nkofo ni. They don't know anything. At this point, I was saying to grass or stadium ni to training. If we cannot treat natural grass, we should put something close to natural grass on these fields. Say Jimmy Crane to me and build it. A system where we can water the grass. At least we should try and do something close to natural grass, because you can mix it, you can hybrid it. Ye Jimmy, a cry ye team yen to me pon water grass. We cannot water grass. Accra Sports Stadium and Kumasi Sports Stadium, they are supposed to have about 10 hydrants in that stadium. It belongs to the stadium. And he said they tap water from outside. They are supposed to build about 5 water hydrants at the stadium hall that will supply the stadium water. Because Ghana, baby, I would a baby to be a baby fifi. In the Accra Sports Stadium, any Kumasi Sports Stadium, we are not even supposed to say, Omunsiono, I will say a coffee free Nima, I will say a coffee free Owusu, and now Kumasi, Yankwa Safoko tapping. So it needs to have its own water system in the stadium. It needs to have it. Every day, we can do what? Every day, we can do what? We can use those waters to water the grass. How difficult is this? And then Jimmy, Moa. Nipa dodo no kro mo pe ball no ma Jimmy Chan politicians no mo use o mo no, because they be all go hwe ball no keke na politician no and making sure say grass ni ye adwuma, grass ni ye quality, seat na wote no eye papa no, and no wutumi kan che politician man ye na do kwase adi nechi, all because eya wo yase obi ba be ye. Ghanaians, some of us are foolish ana.
Yo, it for waiting and some ababeto yepono so cause GC News so and our here no, so we don't subscribe ya or more say we will subscribe to the channel. Nothing so we like video give us a thumbs up, nothing share my offer so now we will be here na wo and some episode Ghana memoir since hadie latest and hot news nkwa NMB Bremo also with me actually what Gyamfi and some we nyina ho e wo comment box no mobeti make video in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.